Hello, welcome back to Proximity Math. I'm going to go over the 2005 Aime Ii number 12. So square ABCD from square ABCD has center O. Center O. Okay. I'm going to label the vertices A, B, C, and D. And AB equals 900. That's its side length. AB equals 900. Just its side length, common side length. Okay. E and F are an AB with AE less than BF and E between A and F. So it would look like this. AE has to be less than BF. So E would be somewhere here. Somewhere here. And the measure of angle EOF, which is this one. So EOF is equal to 45 degrees. Right. 45 degrees. And EF equals 400. That's our last piece of information. Now let me mark the midpoint over here. So we have this equal to 400. And we know the whole thing is equal to 900. And then first thing you would do is draw a height and altitude. Rather. So this length would be 450. All right. Oh, maybe. All right. Okay. So now we have BF is equal to P plus Q root R. We have to find the length of that. Okay. We can let BF be X, and then we would have 500 minus X on this side. Let me move this E. There. Okay. 500 minus X on this side. So that adds up to 900. We have to find the length of BF. Okay. Now we can also do something else with this altitude. What we can do, we can split it into two angles, alpha and beta. So now we give us this length is just 450 times tangent of alpha, and the same goes for beta. So we can add those tangents. Sorry. This tangent beta is equal to, we have 400. Okay. Which means we can cancel out this. So we get that tangent alpha plus tangent beta is equal to 8/9. Alright, next, let's use the fact that alpha plus beta equals 45 degrees. And since we're dealing with tangents already, we can use the tangent sum formula. Tangent, which is also equal to 1, is equal to the tangent of the sum of alpha and beta. And what would that make it equal to? That would be using the tangent addition formula. Tangent of alpha plus tangent of beta over 1 minus tangent of alpha times tangent of beta. Alright. So if we have this is equal to, if you have this being equal to 1, that gives us that the denominator is equal to the numerator. So we have this equal to this. Alright. And we already have this exact expression over here. So we have both these are equal to 8/9. Sorry. So anyway, if this is equal to 8/9, actually, this is equal to 8/9. Subtract both sides from 1. 1/9 is equal to the product of these. And you should know already we have two equations for two unknowns, or we can make these a quadratic, or you can use substitution or whatever you want. But once you solve the system equations, um, okay, this is probably a really elegant way of doing it. Using Vieta's formulas, you can make x squared minus, sorry, not x, we already use x for BF, t for tangent squared minus 8 ninths t plus 1 ninth 0, which means we can make this 9t squared minus, so these would give, the root of these would equal to the tangent of alpha and the tangent of beta. Those are the two roots. So if you solve that quadratic using the quadratic formula, you get this is equal to 4 plus or minus root 7 over 9. 4 plus or minus root 7 over 9. And these are the two solutions which give us tangent alpha, tangent beta. Okay, this is where this fact comes in handy. If AE is less than BF, then that means I'm gonna let this be M from midpoint. That means MF must be less than EM. It's closer to the midpoint, which means the tangent of angle alpha on the left is going to be the greater root, because EM is greater than MF. So the positive solution is tangent alpha, the negative is tangent beta. Alright, we need the tangent beta solution to solve for x, because we have 450. You see x plus 450. 450, right? Because this this half segment is MB is 450, and then MF is 450 tan beta. So it's just a simple addition equation, and I can set this equal to, I'm gonna move the tangent beta to the right side, and I'm gonna substitute the smaller root like I talked about before, because tangent of beta is a smaller tangent since it's closer to the midpoint. Okay, and if you subtract this from 9, we get 5 plus root 9, right? Sorry, 5 plus root 7 over 9. The 9 cancels out with the 50. This gives us x is equal to 250 plus 50 root 7. This final answer of, and it's asking us to add P, Q, and R, of course. We get 307. Sorry. Okay, that's our final answer. And I hope this helped you maybe master trigonometry more. And I hope this helped you get this problem right. Okay, thanks for watching.